Hello everybody, this is Karan from Elistair, and today I'm going to introduce to you our newly released LIGH T4 tethering station. As you can see, it's easy to transport. The LIGH T4 is compatible with 40 plus drones on the market. It comes in a pelly case. It's easy to use and quick to deploy, ideal for law enforcement or first responder applications. Some of the key features of the LIGH T4 tethering station: it has a tether length of up to 70 meters. The winch wheel is motorized as well as manual, and it is also available in 110 and 220 volts. The LIGH T4 is compatible with multiple drones on the market, and this is possible because of Elistair Air modules. For example, we're compatible with the DJI M300 V1 and V2, the M300, the Inspire 2, and we are also compatible with other 6S and 12S drones on the market. The LIGH T is quick to deploy. The setup can take anywhere from between 5 to 10 minutes, and we can power it either through a inverter generator, minimum 3 kilowatts, or through a standard wall adapter. Next, we pull the tether cable out. We plug the tether into the air module, turn on the drone, followed by the tether station. The key advantage of the LIGH T4 is endurance, which means several hours of flying. This can be useful in several scenarios and applications, such as event monitoring and surveillance, fire monitoring, traffic monitoring and surveillance, and for example, law enforcement as well. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching this short video, and if you'd like more information about our products, please visit our website at elistair.com.